Hello, today we are going to discuss about Green Day celebration. So, first of all, we will share some art and craft ideas, then decoration, then face painting ideas with you guys. So, the activities of Green Day is very important so that they will remember the significance of green colored celebration in their lives. The creative art needs to be attractive and very fun to do with the teacher and students. It enhances the relationship of students and teachers so that they can work together, learn together and grow together. So basically, concept of the green activity is the green color represents purity, innocence, light and goodness. It is the color of perfection, fertility and environment. On the Green Day celebration, few nursery students come dressed up as live models of green objects such as raw mango, frogs, grapes, capsicum and recited related rhymes. Teacher can also recite different poems about plants, fruits, vegetables that are green with the students. It will be very helpful for them to recognize the names of different green fruits and vegetables. Teacher can also ask students to bring their favorite green toy or any object and tell some lines about that.
Sound.com.